Ever wondered why some websites load instantly while others crawl to a stop when they get busy? The secret word is bandwidth. Let's break it down. No tech degree needed. Bandwidth is simply the amount of data your website can send to visitors over a set period, usually measured per month. Every time someone visits your site, they download your pages, images, and videos. All of that data adds up. Think of bandwidth like a highway. A wide highway with many lanes lets lots of cars through at once with no traffic. A narrow, one-lane road, everything backs up. Your visitors are the cars, and bandwidth is how many lanes you have. Bandwidth is measured in gigabytes or terabytes per month. A small blog might use just a few gigabytes. A busy online store with lots of images and video could need hundreds. The more visitors and the heavier your content, the more bandwidth you'll use. So, what happens if you exceed your bandwidth limit? A few things. Your site may slow down, your host might charge extra fees, or in some cases your site could be temporarily taken offline until the next billing cycle. Not ideal when your traffic is booming. You'll often see hosts advertise unlimited bandwidth. Here's the truth. It's rarely truly unlimited. It usually means unmetered, with a fair use policy in the fine print. So always read the details before you sign up. So, to recap, bandwidth is your website's data allowance. Think highway lanes for your visitors. Choose enough for your traffic and read the fine print. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple web hosting tips.